Kajian Hun Menteri Kesorkar MDA2 haka khatwai tregunai luar arja arpusan. Kala syem ya kerai bau bat DP Wahlang IAS anda ula Shongthait nakakam Chief Secretary on syem tipat ya kakam komu Chairman ke Meghalaya State Food Commission. Ubat DP Wahlang on Shongthait haka laipau tregunai luar arja arpusan bat haka ni ke Commission u Dr. M Tingkan undai udukhat. Menteri Rangba Ukonrat Kisang Ma habakran sekilat patai kubur ulaong baka komiti belatau dak Sorkar jela kala terwai yakiteki arngut haka baka jingalang kala pedang.
Number 5 was the agenda for the selection of chairperson and a member for the Meghalaya State Food Commission, and there was a recommendation that has come from the committee. There was a committee that was set up, and this committee has proposed the name of Shri DP Wahlang IAS to be appointed as chairperson post his superannuation, as chairperson of the Food Commission, State Food Commission, and Dr. Mishwa Tingkan, again retired officer, as member of the Meghalaya State Food Commission. So these two names were proposed, and the cabinet today has accepted both the.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.